Hello. Welcome to Workverse. So, when you log in into our tool, so what are the features we have? We'll just have a product tour. So, when you do visit like Workverse .com, so this is our official website. And when after registration, so you just do your logins. So I'll just log in with one of the test user what I have created. So we have a test2 at the rate gmail.com. So it's one of the fastest and easy way. Just you enter your email and you log in. Once you log in, so you will be landed to a dashboard. So this dashboard is your work, and it will show everything what you are doing and what you are learning. So you can see this welcome message. You can close this up. This is one part, and second is the your daily workflow, what you do in 4 simple steps. So this is important. So the test 2 user is working as web development and work like a professional developer in a real time environment. This is what we believe. And you can see here like there is a step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So step 1 has daily stand up. I mean to say, like, there is a 15 minutes meeting with your team wherever like the projects you get assigned. Then you have the tasks. You can like always you always get the task and things to work on. Then you can work remotely from anywhere. Then you get review and you submit your code bases. You push your code bases using GitHub, and this is the overall workflow what you are going to be working on. So this is from like zero knowledge. You don't need to have everything known before working. So we teach, we make you learn, and you can start working on it. So there is a task section, project section, timesheet section. So you need to submit your work daily basis. And if you are leaving off, like you are not available for the class, I mean to say you are not available for the day to work, you can just apply here. There are certificates and subscription. This is subscription based application. So this is one of the area we have. So you can check here, you will get your projects. Okay, so from here you know your project well and you work on that, and you get your task items here. So you get your tasks and you can submit the timesheet here, and you can apply for the leaves here. And there is a always a raise an issue. So if you have any problem, you can use this, but you directly ask in meetings generally. So we have daily meetings, right? And there is a beautiful feature where you actually refer and earn something. Like this is your unique link. You can just refer and you can earn 200 per person. And there is a chat application, and you get your certifications here. So you get your internship. If you are doing internship, you'll get your internship certificates and your project training certificates and skill mastery certificates, etc., etc., based on what you participate and what you do. And you have your subscription panel. So this will show you the, we use Razorpay. So you can check this as well, and settings and profile. So these are the normal features available for you to work on. Okay, so now let's say like where is your project. So project is not assigned for this test user. So let's assign a project here. So I'll be doing it as a team lead in another dashboard. We'll be working on it. So just hold on. I am assigning one of the project to test2 user. I'll be logging into my application. I'm doing it in another system because that's an admin panel which we have. So now what I'm doing is there is a project section. It's for team leads, and let's say this person is in web development. I mean, yeah, web development. So there is a project called like we have referral growth engine, assistant engine, automation, acquisition engine, growth marketing, traffic. So there is a optical product. So let's say I'll go to that product, and I'll assign the test2 user now. So when I see here, I can see my test2 user, click it, and update. So what happened just now is like we have assigned a project to this user. So if he comes to project section now, the project is available. Okay. So that will be done by his team lead or whatever the group of people they have. So they can check the project details like, okay, this is the project we have. This is the project ID. Then team members. See here, the team members is test to web designer one team member. You can understand the project, what we exactly are going to do and what are the features of projects, and there are tasks available. So they didn't created any tasks. Now when they create tasks they will get, and you can see team, you can see chat, repository, obviously the GitHub repository available. Secrets means any secret details or credential details about this project. So this is how generally you get assigned and you work on. So the project is assigned, the project is on your dashboard, and what you generally do is you attend this session. Like I mean to say, you attend the meeting, stand up meeting every day, understand from your team lead, understand from your project manager, and you work on what exactly needs to be done. This is how you work on real projects, okay, and real tasks, and you fill your timesheets and stuff. So this is where we are doing a real work. Okay, it's by learning. So zero learning, and from zero we start everything. So do not worry about. So I'm so happy that you are here and you are watching this video. So welcome on board to Workverse portal, and let's build our career together. So happy ending. Thank you so much.